Hello friends! Welcome to Blueprint Studio. In this video, we're presenting our latest project developed on a plot measuring 25 by 50 feet. The client requested a blend of minimalist and classic design for the exterior facade to evoke a vibrant villa-like ambiance on a small plot, and we're dedicated to delivering exactly that. Let's explore its unique features together. Upon entering the site, we've installed a sliding garage door within the enclosed garage space, allowing for natural light and ventilation from above. Upon passing through the main gate, you'll find a compact bike parking area beneath the staircase. With restrooms located on the right-hand side. Let's now explore the drawing room area, which is slightly elevated from the main finish level and seamlessly integrated with the dining area. The client, who owns a local cloth store, desires their home to exude elegance and stand out within the neighborhood. And if you're looking to design a house, reach out to us at blueprintstudioindia@gmail.com. The integrated approach of combining the dining area and kitchen is a contemporary standard, ensuring seamless access between spaces without compromising their individual essence. Next to the kitchen area, we've installed cabinets designated for your beverages, creating a space where you can savor your favorite drinks with friends and family. We've allotted a 5-foot rear setback, providing space for a small lawn where you can relish the ventilation and openness from the rear side. Now, let's explore the layout of the first floor, which includes one master bedroom with an attached toilet. Passing through the main gate of the bedroom, we step into the unified bedroom area, featuring a decorated wall with a TV unit, complemented by closets for convenient storage on one side. The master bedroom boasts a king-size bed and an embellished plaster wall. In front of the bed, there are 2 lounge chairs, offering a cozy spot to relax and enjoy your favorite programs. The master bedroom, complete with an attached toilet, exudes a luxurious ambiance reminiscent of a 3-star hotel. The ensuite bathroom is adorned with modern fixtures and amenities, contributing to the upscale feel of the space. The room's design and comfort create a retreat within the home, offering a serene and indulgent experience. Let's explore the layout of the second floor, which features an additional master bedroom mirroring the layout of the first floor. However, this second floor master bedroom includes a compact workout area, adding an extra dimension to the space. The master bedroom, complete with an attached toilet, exudes a luxurious ambiance reminiscent of a 3-star hotel. The ensuite bathroom is adorned with modern fixtures and amenities, contributing to the upscale feel of the space. And if you're looking to design a house, reach out to us at blueprintstudioindia@gmail.com. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on house designs. Thank you.